Step 3, business tasks. So let's complete a bunch of tasks related to your business. Business tasks. The first thing you got to do is to get your business online. One of the most important critical things nowadays, a business is online. I don't do anything like go to a restaurant without going online first and checking out their restaurant pictures and their menu and their prices. It's kind of like a home inspector website, right? People go online and they check you out. They want to see what they're about to buy. See if you're an inspector, professional, certified, trained, qualified, what services you do. They want to see value, maybe a price or an idea of how much you cost. So let's work on building a good-looking business website that has features like call me now buttons or schedule online, because no one calls anymore, right? It's all like online. So if you don't have an online scheduler, you're probably, Big Ben Inspections has an online scheduling system. So I'm going to beat you in that area. If you are not online or available at 10 a.m. or at 10 p.m., Big Ben Inspections is. You can schedule an inspection right now. So if you can write a home inspection report, you can build your own website. And I know you can write an inspection report because we already have done that. If you can create pages, write text, upload pictures, then you have the skill set to write an inspection report, and a website is just the same. Well, on a website, you create pages, write text, and upload pictures, maybe some video. So you have the skills to build your own website. Maybe you already have a website and you're not that happy with it. Or maybe you have no idea about websites and you want to start. Well, this is it. This business task is for you. And we recommend staying in control of one of the most important pieces of your marketing. That's your website? Yeah. And your inspection report. Don't let anybody write your inspection report, right? Why would you let somebody write your inspection report? It's insane. Same thing. So we recommend staying in control of critical things in your business. Don't feel obligated to hire anybody to do your website for $2,000, $3,000 or $100 an hour or monthly upgrades at $500 a month. You have the skill set. If you can write an inspection report, those are the skills that you need to create your own website and maintain it. And it's no big deal. Weebly has a free website package with drag and drop features, automatic SEO stuff, and a ton of templates. So let's take a look at Weebly. Click the button there and let's go there to the free Weebly site. Okay, we're at Weebly. Here's the home page and it says, get started with our powerful free website builder. Free website builder. Is it free? Well, you go to pricing, check it out. And they have a free website package. They have a personal one for $6 a month and a professional one for $12 a month. And the most expensive thing, if you have an e-commerce online store, right? And you don't, that's $26 a month. So probably the professional one at only $12 a month to have your own website. Beautiful. Let's take a look at the free one. So if you clicked the select button to do the free one, let's go into a free Weebly package here. Now we're in the templates and you select a theme. And when you select a theme, you get the template and you can tweak around with it. So here's some themes like business, portfolio, personal, event, a blog, coming soon, or other things. So let's just select business and then you select one of these. I like the burger one. Select burgers. Okay, so here's the template. We picked the burger template. Well, I'm not selling burgers. What am I selling? Well, I wanted to sell myself. I want to edit that background. That's neat. So I can change that picture. I can edit this text like hire the best inspector. You can write anything you want. Our menu, maybe instead of our menu, here's the button text. schedule now, right? A call to action. That's neat. And then, oh, so that's cool. It's like a menu. These instead of burgers here, this would be maybe full home inspection. And this would be WDO, oops, WDO inspection. This one could be radon test. And then my prices over here. So I can type in my prices if I wanted to. Oh, let's say it's $395, $150. Nah, my WDO would be $75. This is fun, $125. And I would figure out those prices because I already did chapter 11 of the home inspection business course where we figured out the profitable fees that I would be choosing, right? And my ancillary services are here, right? We've already figured that out. And pictures of the burger, that doesn't make any sense. You can edit that background and replace that image. And then you have a menu, and you could have your services here with the fees or about. So you could have pictures of you and your staff or maybe your tools. Here's where you're located, but let's go back. Let's go back to home and let's change. I don't want the, oh, wait. Oh, I see. Text. Yeah, so this is Big Ben Inspections. Let's get rid of that. Or I could put in a logo there. That'd be neat. I can change this to what? Well, I'm going to pick a photo, and on my desktop, I have all of the resources that I want in my website. So I have an inspection pictures. I have pictures of me inspecting. I have me there with the CPI logo. I have a home maintenance book. If I was in Florida, I'd be a home maintenance book there for Florida, or the regular home maintenance book, or a customized home maintenance book. If I'm infrared certified, there's my logo and there's my certificate. I have other logos like the $10,000 honor guarantee, my business logo, my CPI, home energy, infrared, drone pilot, the InterNACHI logos, the meth house hazard logo, lawn irrigation system inspector logo, radon tester, sewer scope inspector, water quality, WDO. Those logos are ready to go. And then there's video. I can have a video. I can upload a video into my, but let's see. Let's change, maybe it's my regular one. Yeah, that's kind of cool. It's a little off. I'll have to figure out how to get it so that you can see my entire head. But there you go. That's kind of cool. And then schedule now, that could go somewhere like a link to a page. Maybe it's my menu page. So I do that. So let's publish that. Let's see what it looks like. I have to select a domain and then they'll publish it for me. So let's see if that works for me. Masterclass 4, let's say. Masterclass 4. I got it. And there we go. And let's see what it looks like. Oh, that's my new website. Well, that's pretty good. That's within 5 minutes. I got a really nice website template designed and some text, and I customize it. And I have a schedule now, which goes to my menu of services, not menu of burgers. So, it gives you a pretty good template. I think I picked the wrong template though. I picked a restaurant template. Maybe that's not quite right. So I have to fiddle around with templates. Well, how do I do that? Well, maybe I can get out of here and choose a different theme. I bet I can. Yeah, so maybe it's, maybe this one is better. Let's see. Let's choose it. I kind of like that. Whoa, the font is kind of funky. Well, maybe I could change the font and publish it and see what it looks like. Oh, that's kind of cool. I got my business name over here. I've got it slightly faded now, and then a big schedule now button. That's perfect. And then down here, it's still the same, but I changed the theme a little bit. So if I wanted to change the entire look of it all, I could. Let's do it again. A business website. Let's go for something. I wonder what this looks like. That's kind of cool, that font. So you pick a theme and you choose it, and then you publish it and see what it looks like. There we go. And it gives you tips. Let's see what this one looks like. I kind of like that one. Big bold letters right there, and a schedule now button, and a menu. Same thing. So that's pretty cool. What if I wanted to change, like, I want to put a big picture of me down here. I just drag and drop. I just grab this and I drag it, and I upload a picture of, well, I don't know, inspection pictures. Me inspecting. Boom. That's cool. What if it's a little bit too big? Well, I can just resize it, right? And then I could add text. So maybe this is a text here, a title, and then this is me inspecting the attic. Let me inspect your attic space today. Something like that. And then what if I wanted to add a contact, let's see, a video. I could do video too. I could do a YouTube video. How do I do that? I drag and drop. And I have to click here, and then I add my YouTube. I can do that. So let's go to Big Ben Inspections YouTube. No, it's my regular YouTube. And let's say I want to use this video. I'm going to click share. While I'm performing my home. And then I go back here and I paste the URL in. Oh, that's cool. Let me publish this. I gotta check this out. This is kind of fun. I like that. Scroll down. There's that big picture of me. It's ridiculously big. Oh, and then there's a video. While I'm performing my home inspection, I'll be adhering to the COVID safety guidelines for home inspectors developed by INTERNACHI, the International Association of Certified Home Inspectors. That's cool. And now that's on my website. So I can create pages too. Let's see. Pages. How about a new page? A standard page, a category page, or product page? A standard page. What's my new page? Inspection services. Cool. And then what if I want to move it up here? Cool. And now I have a new page right there. And when people land on this page, I have to say something. Well, let's replace the header layout. Let's just get rid of this header. And I want to make it something smaller. So that's cool. So I'm going to go inspection services. Choose which service you'd like me to perform. That's cool. Publish. Let's see what it looks like. Inspection services is the second page. So I have a home page. That's what I'm looking at. Remember, we just added that picture and the video, and then inspection services. I just added that, and I can tweak that video as well. Maybe it'll be a video of me performing an inspection, kind of blurred out. I could do that. How about I add, what do I want under that? I want like a list. So I'm going to have maybe this guy here. I'm going to grab this and drag it down. See how I do that? And then I just let it drop. So it's called drag and drop. And this one will be full home inspection, $4.95. Termite inspection, $75. Radon test, $125. Something like that. That's good. And then maybe a call to action button, maybe a button. See, I see a button there. So I'm going to drag it over here, drag it down here where I want it. And there it is there, but I want it in the middle. And button text, I want to say schedule now. And I want the style to be more of like a black and white. Okay. And then the link, I want it to go to maybe another page. I don't know. Maybe this is maybe about will have, I have to change it, but about will have how to schedule now. Maybe an online scheduling feature. Okay, that's pretty cool. Publish, see what it looks like. And it's back and forth. I would say in about 6 hours, you'll have a beautiful website. I like that. I like, boom. That's what people want to know. They want to see what they're about to buy. So why don't you give them exactly what they want within a couple seconds, within a half a second. They can see that I'm a certified professional inspector and I'm the best inspector. How do I hire the best inspector? Schedule now button is right there. I could probably move the schedule now button over towards the center. I kind of like that. Inspection services. What does Big Ben Inspection do? Well, I hit full home inspection, termite inspection, and radon test. Schedule now. Click button now, and it goes to that. Well, it would be completely different. It's still about burgers, but it would be about an online schedule. Maybe it links out to the online scheduling feature. See, Big Ben Inspections has that already. And so you can go to Big Ben Inspections while you're building your website and figure out what your website features should have. Because if we are competing and I have Big Ben Inspections website up and ready and you don't, you want to compete with me. You want to beat me on the website, right? So on this website, I have a schedule now button. I also have like, there's a picture of my family. There's a free downloads tip, schedule your inspection now. And I get to my scheduling now inspection. So you select an inspection and you add the address, border, and then is this property occupied? Yes. And then you go to next and you schedule an inspection online with me. And if you're not doing that, well, I don't know what you're going to do to beat me. That's nice. So you can choose your home inspection. When? Oh, let's do it on Tuesday. What time? Oh, at 11. Oh, what's your name? Oh, type in your name and you comment and you can schedule your appointment. Boom, I scheduled an appointment. Or you have a call me now button. Really? What's your name? I'm Benjamin. What's your email address? I'm ben.gromicko@gmail.com. What's your phone number? 303-862-2611. Call me. Oh, what's going to happen? I don't know. The inspector has been notified and will call you as soon as possible. Oh, really? Yeah. I just got it on my phone. It says potential client, Benjamin, wants you to call them at 303-862-2611. We have also emailed you the details. Call now. So if I call, I'm the inspector, right? I'm Big Ben Inspections, and I'm calling the person who just landed on my website and wants a phone call. That's awesome. That's pretty quick. Services and fees. Remember, we added on Big Ben Inspections, I have services and fees. And on the new website, we have inspection services, right? So I have all of these pages on Big Ben Inspections. That's a page, that's a page, that's a page, That's a page of information. There's the header, some text, and I scroll down and I added some logos and some pictures of myself. You can do the same thing. Here's a page, I have some text, here's some text, and I can add a picture if I wanted to, just like we did at the home page. Remember, we dragged and dropped and put a big picture there. It's so easy. These drag and drops on the left make everything so easy. There's a title, that's big text. There's little text, there's an image, there's a gallery of pictures, there's a slideshow of pictures, there's a contact form, there's a divider, there's a video, you can embed video, you can embed a search box, you can have an RSVP form. It's really a lot of fun. So how much does this cost me? Oh man, $0. Weebly has a free package to drag and drop and build a beautiful business website based upon an existing template. And all you got to do is switch out the pictures of burgers with your own picture. So that's kind of cool. Why don't you click the link, go to Weebly, choose the free package, and see what you get. It's worth your time. If you're spending thousands of dollars a year for a website that you don't control, that you're probably not very happy with, that doesn't have a modern looking professional design to it, it doesn't have all of the features, the bells and whistles, the call me now button and the online scheduling, maybe you should switch all that. Or maybe if you're new, you don't have a website and you got to get your InterNACHI profile updated with a web address, you can get a web URL like that. How much is it? It's free. That's a pretty good package. Pretty good. I'm kind of happy with that. So have fun. Do it right now. Click that button and just enjoy having some fun building your website. And this is a critical business task. So good. Try it now. Build a website.